So now it's asking the average American student is in class 330 minutes a day. How many hours a day is this? So 330 minutes per day. It's asking for hours. So let's just do the same thing. It's unit conversion. 330 minutes over 1 day. And we have to convert that to hours. So, well, we know the day can stay in the denominator. So we don't need to cancel out the day. We just have to worry about the minutes. So we don't even have to look at the conversion chart. Hopefully, we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we're going to have minutes in the denominator. 60 minutes, 1 hour. 330 divided by 60. Could do this with or without a calculator, but it would be 5.5 hours per day. Let me just show you how the units cancel out. So minutes, and we're left with hour over day. Next question. How many seconds is this? So let me not erase that actually. How many seconds is this? So we can use this answer, 5.5 hours. Over 1 day. And then we have to convert from hours to minutes, and then minutes to seconds. So we can always have hours. We can have hours in the bottom. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. And we know 1 minute has 60 seconds. So it's asking us the final units need to be seconds per day, but just how many seconds? So minute, hour, and we're just left with seconds. So that will be 5.5 times 60 times 60, which will give us 19,800 seconds. How many seconds are there in 1 year? So this one is definitely going to involve multiple steps because there's not just a simple conversion from 1 year to seconds. We have to go from year to days to hours, then minutes to seconds. So we can always go months, but we know 365 days in a year. So we start off with 1 year. That's what we're given. Multiply that by, we know we need to have 1 year in the denominator. And we know a year has 365 days. And we know we need to cancel out days. 1 day is, well, not proper grammar, but it's fine. 1 day is 24 hours. And then we go hours in the bottom. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Whoops. And minutes in the bottom. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Let's see if all the units canceled out. Otherwise, we're gonna have to fix something. So year cancel out. Days, hours, hour, and minutes. That's good. We're left with seconds, and it's exactly what the question's asking for. If we do the math for this, that would be 315,576,000 seconds. So we'll just put commas for us to see this. So 31,557,600 seconds. So quite a lot of seconds in 1 year. Let's move on to the next question. Hopefully you guys are getting the hang of this. And I just want you to pause the video right now and just do this question. Okay, hopefully you did the question, or else I'm just going to demonstrate how to do this. So we start off with 1.3 times 10 to the 15 gallons. And it's asking how many liters. So gallons to liters. Some of us may know this, some of us may not know the conversion, but we need to have gallons in the denominator, and liters on top. So we have to see the conversion from gallons and liters if you don't know it. But it is going to be 1 gallon is 3.79 liters. So that will be, put this in a calculator, 4.927 times 10 to the 15 liters. This is scientific notation because who wants to write down all the zeros? So yeah, that would be it. If you didn't understand, I would just suggest you watching certain part of the video. And yeah, thank you for watching.